Welcome to IIE Rosebank College, where lecturer development is at the heart of our mission. Let's delve into our comprehensive approach to enhancing teaching and learning methodologies. Lecturer development. Our commitment to excellence drives us to conduct numerous workshops throughout the academic year, ensuring our lecturers are continuously upskilled and empowered. Lecturer forums. These forums provide a neutral ground for engaging in robust discussions, from effective lesson planning to the peer review process, all aimed at expanding skills and addressing challenges. Lecturer consultations. One-on-one sessions focus on addressing individual challenges and strategizing for student success, fostering a positive teaching environment. Class visits. Ensuring student needs are met, resolving concerns, and tracking progress are the key objectives of these visits, facilitating open communication between students and lecturers. Peer review. Guided by principles of reflective practice, this iterative process fosters continuous improvement and ensures adherence to teaching and learning values. Student evaluation of teaching SET. An essential tool for measuring effectiveness and identifying areas for improvement, facilitating a collaborative approach to enhancing the student experience. Internal moderation. Upholding standards of fairness and consistency. This process ensures assessment practices align with our commitment to quality tertiary education. Result analysis. Tracking module success rates and identifying areas for development. This analysis informs targeted interventions for student success. Content and assessment development. Encouraging lecturer input in course material and assessment development fosters a culture of collaboration and innovation. Research opportunities. Through collaborative interdisciplinary research, we aim to support teaching learning excellence and address challenges in higher education. Dr. Freyson Teaching Excellence Award. Recognizing innovative teaching approaches that contribute to student learning. This award celebrates our dedicated educators. IIE Faculty of Education. Offering postgraduate qualifications in higher education and teacher training, we empower educators to shape the future of education. Join us at IIE Rosebank College, where we're dedicated to empowering educators and fostering student success. Contact us to learn more about our programs and initiatives.